You are paying for Pingdom. You are paying for PagerDuty. You are paying for Statuspage. 3 tools, 3 bills, 3 logins. What if you could replace all 3 with one? A 5-person team on PagerDuty, Statuspage, and Pingdom pays over $220 a month. That is almost $3,000 a year. And even with integrations, you are still managing 3 dashboards, 3 billing cycles, and 3 sets of configurations. Alert24 combines monitoring, on-call scheduling, incident management, and status pages into one platform. That same 5-person team pays $90 a month, less than half. The monitoring dashboard shows all your checks at a glance: HTTP, TCP, DNS, SSL certificates, heartbeat checks, and third-party dependency tracking. Set up your first monitor in under 60 seconds. When a check fails, Alert24 automatically creates an incident and notifies the right people through your escalation policy. No manual steps, from detection to response in seconds. Build escalation workflows visually with the drag-and-drop canvas, parallel notification paths, business hours routing, automatic status page updates. No competitor offers this level of control. Status pages update automatically when monitoring detects an issue. Your customers stay informed without anyone lifting a finger. The analytics dashboard tracks mean time to resolve, incident frequency, uptime trends, and team workload. Data to help your team improve sprint over sprint. Stop paying for 3 tools. Start with Alert24 free at alert24.net.